Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making a banana pudding poke cake. This recipe combines a cake mix with sweetened condensed milk, banana pudding, whipped topping, and Nilla wafers to make an easy, pretty, and delicious dessert. So let's get started. Prepare a box of yellow cake mix according to package directions for a 9x13 cake. Plus, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Bake in your preheated oven until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then remove from oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Using a clean wooden spoon handle, poke holes into the cake, being sure to go clear down to the bottom. Pour 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk over the cake into the holes. In a bowl, add 2 3.4-ounce packages of instant banana pudding and 4 cups of milk. Whisk this together until it's well combined. Pour the pudding over the cake, spreading it out evenly, lightly pressing it down into the holes of the cake. Now cover the cake and chill it in the refrigerator until it's completely cool. Once your cake is completely cool, spread on 1 8-ounce package of frozen whipped topping thawed. Finally, crush enough Nilla wafers to make 1 cup and then evenly sprinkle them on top of the cake. And here it is, banana pudding poke cake. To serve, you can add fresh slices of banana on top if you like. And be sure to store this covered in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Hi everyone. I like that one. Today I'm making a banana pudding cake mix. Using a clean wooden using a clean handle. Oh no! Using a clean wooden spoon. Use the handle part and use the handle. Using a clean wooden spoon. Use the handle. Using a clean wooden handle spoon. Oh! And here it is, banana pudding.